I can't believe I'm saying this, but in today's video, we are drifting a Tesla.
What the is going on?
Right here, this is Drift HQ's Tesla. Now, you guys know I'm a big advocate for Teslas. I've driven Trevor's, I've driven my buddy Alex's. I love just what Tesla is all about. There is a lot of Tesla haters out there, but I think this Tesla is gonna change your mind. It's currently all over the internet, but me being me, I had to give this thing a try firsthand. Now, this isn't just your normal Tesla. This actually has some drift mods to it. So WiseFab actually made a custom kit. They're gonna be bringing this kit out to the public so even you guys can buy it as well. But right now, Drift HQ, they do have the prototype, and this is the only car, right? Quote me if I'm wrong, this is the only car that has WiseFab on a Tesla. This also has BC coilovers on it. It has a BMW E90 rack. So the thing that I want to know about the Tesla is, will this still self-drive? They're not paying for the subscription right now, but I think this Tesla, it might change my mind, and I might have to build one after this because I've always wanted an excuse to buy a Tesla. I know my channel will probably plummet if I get one, but I think if we drift it, I think it might be a little cooler. So behind me is actually a Tesla Model 3 base model. Reason why they went with the base model is obviously you're drifting it. You kind of want to try to get the cheapest platform that you can. And if you get the base models, like they found this car on Copart for only $12,000. The reason they didn't go with the performance, obviously it's a little more money. Some of them are all-wheel drive. It's just a disaster. The one problem with the base model is they do come with an open diff, but Drift HQ was actually able to put an LSD in this thing. I don't know how they did it. They worked their magic. They have WiseFab handbrake, WiseFab angle kit, BC coilovers, LSD, and I think that's it, right? Today we're really gonna put it to the test. I don't know what to expect. To be honest, I'm quite nervous. I'm quite scared. I don't like driving other people's cars because there's always a chance that you can crash. So let's just cross our fingers. Let's hope we don't crash this thing, and let's just get in the car and see what happens.
Yeah, you need to adjust that, sir.
Who was in here that was right here?
You can drift with AC on.
Really? Is this thing just pissed all the time, or it loves it?
No, it loves it a little bit too.
Oh, Jesus.
Get it functioning.
I think this just popped off.
Just break it. Just break my shit.
The thing just popped off, bro. I haven't even driven it.
Can't have anything nice.
Can't have nothing nice,
You turn
bro.
everything to junk, don't you?
What the? I guess so. At least it's
marketing.
part of the brand,
Hell of a
right?
marketing tool. Just break it all. Fuck it.
We need some AC in here, dude. I can't.
Bro, turn the car on,
Turn it
press the
on.
brake.
I don't know what to fucking
Yeah,
work this
happening.
thing, bro.
This. I thought you said you.
Oh,
I thought you
shit.
said you love Teslas.
I do, but I don't have one.
Oh,
Okay. Well, there you go.
cheap, bro. This thing was like 12 grand out the door.
Yeah. All right. There you
This is crazy.
Yeah, you're gonna have a blast.
go. So it drifts off an app.
Wait, so it's like a hacked thing?
Yeah.
Kind of.
Kind of.
You guys hacked the Tesla. Elon's so mad at you.
Right now, it has chill mode, it has sport mode. I'm connected now. Drift mode. Now we're in drift mode. We take off regen braking, and you're pretty much ready to go.
That's it.
Yeah.
We're gonna take it easy at first. How do I get it in the drive?
Brindle.
Oh. Oh, God. What the hell? Dude, this thing is just so, like, natural.
Hey, just saying, you used all the wheel speed because the tires were cooking, my guy.
Was I using all of it?
Yeah, you don't have to floor it like that. You were flooring it. We can tell from out here. You made it entirely too much smoke in too little time. You can pedal it and the tires will last a lot longer. That's
Okay.
the only difference.
So let me try that again with a little less gas. So I was just flooring it.
You were.
It didn't really feel like that. I was just driving.
Yeah, try less.
Just try a little less.
Try less.
Okay, I'm gonna do that same thing, a little less. What the hell is going on right now? So apparently I was flooring it. I guess I didn't need to do that. It's just such a weird thing. I guess I'm just gonna turn in and start doing a donut. Little. Okay. Little e-brake there. I'm like this much on the gas. Little e-brake. This is crazy!
What the fuck is going on? What the fuck is going on? Dude! What the hell? No way it just drifts that good. That is effortless. I feel like I'm not even trying. What the hell? Oh, I don't know what happened. Dude, what the hell? This thing is just so like a Sunday driver. Like it doesn't even make any sense how like good it is.
Yeah.
You don't need any brake, little hydro. I don't even know how to put it into words. It's so smooth. It's kind of cheating.
It's honestly really messed up how good it is.
I was like super scared, but I'm like, whoa, like this is like this thing is just good. So now that I felt it, we'll do a little. So what do you think? Just flick in hydro and then just drive normal?
Bro, just drive.
Okay. Bro, this thing is just mental. The flick is gonna be weird, but dude, this thing is crazy. It's like so good in like an effortless way.
It doesn't make sense.
I haven't done a flick. I'm a little scared for that.
Kind of just got a handbrake. It doesn't have the power to flick.
Oh, they said to flick in. I'll handbrake it first.
Like, I got handbrake this way, and then that way too. It doesn't just flick, you know?
Got you. So you flick with a handbrake. That's interesting. I've never done that.
Because you have no clutch.
Yeah.
If you just forward, just,
The e-brake's your clutch?
yeah.
Okay.
Basically.
This is weird. The entry is weird. The entry is the only hard part.
Yeah. It's like, well, the faster you go, the easier it is. You just didn't have the momentum with the second handbrake.
So you think I need to go a little faster? The tree just scares you.
It does. It's so tight there.
Like not my car. Like I'm not trying to.
No, you had it.
Let's go! Let's go, dude! This thing's insane! What the fuck? Why is it so good? It doesn't make any sense.
That was perfect.
It doesn't make any sense.
It does.
I'm like just like kind of chilling, AC on.
Full blast, cruising.
I need one. Dude, this is gonna evolve drifting. Fuck a 2J E36, I'm building one of these. I'll meet Adam at FD. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Let's go talk to the boys real quick. This thing is so cool. I could drive this all day long. Bro, this thing is incredible. This like, I feel like this could evolve drifting in like not like a gay way. I'm gonna mute that, but it's so effortless. And like, I feel like I'm just sitting here like, okay, I gotta e-brake a little there, e-brake a little. Okay, let me just turn in. The hardest thing is the flick, because obviously you don't have a clutch. So what Sean told me is like the faster you go, the easier it is, and use the e-brake almost as a clutch to kind of flick in with the e-brake, flick into the right, and then e-brake to the left, and then that'll set you up for the whole course.
Yeah.
Kind of works good.
Yeah, I personally would just do the flooring it thing, because you're coasting at like 30, maybe 40. You can floor it, and the wheels start spinning. You're powering over.
So you think flick without e-brake?
I floor it into the opposite turn, Scandinavian flick it, but I mean it's an aggressive flick.
I just don't like the tree.
Yeah, the trees are scary.
You said you've almost hit it.
Yeah, exactly.
You're the only guy doing the flick.
It's fine. It looks a lot cooler. You can throw back keys in this thing.
Yeah.
Insert Genofa's clip.
Filho da puta. Conseguimos.
He threw backy in it.
You can do back keys in it.
Yeah, well, that's fucking Chelsea. I'm Rudnick. I'll just drive it normally, ish, you know? I'll try your little flick thing. I don't like it, but I'll try it. This thing is crazy. Absolute madness. He's telling me to try it without the e-brake. The flick. Kind of sketch. They're trying to make me crash. Pieces of shit. Duarte's gonna beat my ass.
Get it on camera? What? What's wrong?
Let's go. Not bad. It actually kind of felt a little more natural. Damn, this is just so fun. Like, why don't I have one of these? I'm buying one, it's it. I'm done, I'm sold. Like, I need to. And it needs to self-drive still. Self-drift, bro? So the flick felt natural.
Told you.
How did it look?
Oh, it looks like you did a flick entry, like as if you don't have an e-brake. Because, like, God forbid you don't have an e-brake, it brakes. Like,
dude, it's really good. Like, it's honestly a little too good. Like, I was so scared because I didn't know how the self-steer was gonna be. I didn't know how, like, the electric motors were gonna function. I didn't know if the car was gonna be pissed or not. But, like, it just works. And, like, it's almost easier than a normal drift car.
I would say this is closer to a sim than a drift car.
I would agree with that. I would agree. What tire size do we have in the rear?
Good question. Oh, we have 235s.
235s? At
Yeah.
what PSI you think? 530?
I don't know. You could put any PSI in the back. The thing is, we had 225, so you actually drove the car at its grippiest form.
Really?
10 millimeter more.
That's interesting because I feel like there could be more grip.
Yeah, I think you'll do a 245. Or maybe you had a 245. I don't know. You could probably stuff a 265 in the back and it'll do fine.
Bro, you gotta hit up Elon and you gotta get a ludicrous version. Imagine that.
At that point, we just have to cage the car.
Get a plaid and like that will be legendary. I'll buy this clapper off you guys. You guys upgrade to the plaid, everyone wins. I have to buy one. Like, I've wanted a Tesla. This is like kind of a fair excuse to have one.
It honestly makes sense because you could daily this.
You could daily it.
The only difference is I would change the steering wheel, you know? That way you have some sort of safety feature. Oh yeah, that hub is a prototype hub. Don't worry about the play.
Hey dude, Chris Rudnick here. You think I really give a shit? I want to try that flick again. Is the tires okay?
Yes.
Okay.
And he has the AC on. Look at that. The AC dripping. He's not dripping.
We don't got AC. It's not fair.
Yeah, what the heck, man? Yeah, we get different angles now. We got professional race car driver Chris Rudnick, and we got professional photo taker Sticks.
Thank you, Drift HQ. Thank you, Duarte, for giving me this opportunity to drive this thing. It's truly something else. Like, I've never actually driven something like this. It's so hard to, like, explain it over camera. But it's just good. It's nothing like I've drifted before. That's really it. It's just the power's always there. There's no clutch kicking. There's no drama. The e-brake works really well. It's just very comfortable. Insanely comfortable.
Different angle. Oh, is there a rocket launch going on? Hey, there's a rocket launch happening right now.
Where?
Are you doing hear it? 100% of the rocket launch. Yo, historic moment. I swear there's a rocket launch happening right now.
Wait, what?
Yeah, hold on.
No way.
I don't think you can see it because it's cloudy,
No,
but I hear
hear
it.
me out. That'd be a fire ass photo.
Dude, it's happening. It's happening. There's a rocket launch. You don't hear the seismic
No,
sounds?
I've been in Orlando.
Hold
Dude,
on.
I hear it.
Yeah, hold on. Hold on.
Elon, dude.
He knew. He knew. Right now.
No fucking way. Dude, how do you feel that?
You can't hear it?
No, I know, I feel it. Like, how do you?
Oh, every day almost. It's somewhere behind that cloud. That's where it usually launches. So it's up there right now. Listen.
Oh, we missed it.
No, it's definitely, it launched that whole time. It's just behind that.
Well, while we were drifting, a Tesla that Elon Musk developed, he is currently flying rockets to maybe Mars. Maybe today's the day we go. Probably not.
No, just more satellites for our internet.
Yeah. Oh, the Starlink. That's so sick. But I don't know, man. I could drive this thing all day. It's just so good. I'm almost sad that I have to be like, okay, I probably should stop now, huh? You know, we did some good runs. We had some fun. But I really would like one. So you guys said there's no, like, you haven't really broken anything other than a fan.
Maybe a bumper? Jordan spun out and hit a tire wall? I don't know.
Huh.
The Nofo went $150. What was it? No, what? It was $120.
That dude
No,
is
$110?
a psychopath.
I don't know. The Nofo went 110, 117 in this thing and then entered into a slightly bent turn and then to a 90-degree turn. It looked crazy.
Wow.
And that was the first time this car went that speed, probably. And it went there sideways.
It drives so nice. But like I was saying, big shout out to Drift HQ for giving me the opportunity to drive this thing. It has been an absolute blast. If you guys ever have an opportunity to try to drive a Tesla, I would.
We're also gonna release the kit soon.
Well, I mean, hey, I will go buy a Tesla. If you guys need some more marketing strategies, I'll go buy a Tesla. I'll go trade in the M2 right now. I'll go get a cheap boy, and we will put a kit on it.
I think the goal is to have this place filled with Teslas, like drifting at least
Oh,
once. I think we would need some sort of like fire safety crew for that one specifically.
Has the batteries ever gotten hot or anything?
No,
Nothing.
nothing. Like tell me how much percentage is in there.
58. What did we start with?
80.
Okay, that's not bad. And like, I don't think I was being nice to it. It's so easy to just floor it, you know? Like, I just always want to floor it everywhere. What's that noise?
The fan for the AC.
All right. Well, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to subscribe for more, subscribe for more. Thank you one more time to Drift HQ for letting me drive this. Honestly, I got here like 3 days ago. I've been like scared to ask because like I didn't want to crash it. I didn't want to ruin it or anything like that. But I'm such a Tesla Elon butthurt that I had to try. I couldn't pass up this opportunity, and I'm so happy that I didn't. And video's over. See ya.